So I'm here at Southern Manufacturing, I'm on Matsuura's stand. A new recruit has just joined the company. Simon, you've just joined Matsuura. Tell us a little bit about your role here.
I'm going to be covering the southwest for Matsuura for machine tool sales. So I'll be covering up to Worcester, South Wales, Wiltshire, and then Devon, Cornwall and Somerset.
Exciting times for you. What do you like about the Matsuura brand? What's excited you most, do you think, about the machines that you're going to be offering to the market?
I like the idea of the unmanned running that we offer, the quality and the build, and the overall backup and support really that we're able to offer at Matsuura.
The MX850, that's some machine, isn't it? That 5-axis. I believe they've even printed their own work holding using the HP machine. That's really the sort of showcase, isn't it, this week here at the show?
That's right, yeah. So we've brought the HP printer with us. We're printing the fixture, and then we're putting it onto the 850 and machining from a alley block to show the quality of the fixture and how strong it is.
And the 850 isn't just the only 5-axis that obviously Matsuura are selling, all that's been popular recently. There's the 520. That's going to be something for you to get your teeth stuck into, isn't it?
Most definitely, yeah. I'm really excited. Yeah, we've got the 520, we've also got the 330 and the motor pallet options on top of that as well. So plenty for me to get on with.
Okay, just remind our audience of the territory that you're covering and how they can contact you, maybe your email address.
Yeah, so they can contact me through shiggs@matsuura.co.uk, and I'm covering the whole of the southwest, Devon, Cornwall, Somerset, Wiltshire, Worcester, Herefordshire and South Wales.
Wow, some territory. There you go. Contact Simon if you're interested in Matsuura products in that area. Thank you very much, mate, and good luck.
Thank you.